Ito lang. Para makita rin natin yung actual na pagkakasulat batay sa pagkakabasa mo.
Meron na nga.
Previous hindi ako masyadong this is my piece called Does Death Know? Does death know she is feared yet wished upon? She brings fear with no known death, yet brings comfort to those in pain. She brings darkness to the light, yet without her, light would stand meaningless. Life is boundless, bounded by only those who are heartless. Beauty is everywhere, but the power to appreciate it is sparse. Remember, in death, life has meaning. In courage, fear is nothing, and with heart, man has life.
Maraming salamat po. So, magbibigay muna ako